If you take the time to document and close a complicated ticket, wouldn't it be great if it could be turned into a knowledge article right from the ticket? Well, this can be done with the help of AI, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, Matt Barron, Product Specialist at InvGate. InvGate Service Desk added several new features that leverage artificial intelligence as part of the InvGate AI Hub, and one of them is knowledge article generation. Before we get started, remember you can always grab a trial instance of our software at try.invgate.com, and you'll find a link in the description. We wanted to simplify the process of knowledge creation by speeding up the drafting process. AI and large language models are perfect for this kind of challenge, so we put them at your service. Let's see what it looks like. Here, I have a complex ticket where a team of 40 people weren't able to log into HubSpot. The user was doing a great job by clearing cookies and resetting the browser, still having issues. We found that eventually, after uninstalling and reinstalling and some other steps, that it was a plugin that was causing the issue. Of course. So now that that ticket is closed, I want to turn this ticket into a knowledge article for future reference. To do so, I simply close that ticket, of course, and then this button appears to suggest that I make a knowledge article of it. Once I click on generate, the contents of the ticket are presented so that I can choose which elements are passed via API to a large language model. So I'm going to choose the specific messages that have the steps to repair in them. Specifically, this one here, where I have her do some initial troubleshooting. She finds that incognito works great. I don't need this because I'm just telling her that I'm going to remote in, and then this is the solution, and she's got her problem here. So now I'm just going to click on generate, and after a few seconds, a knowledge article draft is presented to me, and I can review the title, description, and contents of the article for accuracy prior to publishing. So here I would just look through, just making sure troubleshooting HubSpot login issues. It's kind of generic, so if I've already got a big article that already covers a lot of other troubleshooting issues, I obviously am going to want to rename this something else. But I do like that it puts this in the description, so it's going to help searching for this knowledge article, login problems, HubSpot access, that sort of thing. Then I need to read through this draft and just making sure that it has the exact steps that I have. It looks like it does actually, so fantastic. At this point I can hit save, and the knowledge article is available for other agents, for the customers, and for anyone that really runs into this problem. Automatically drafting knowledge articles can go a long way towards improving service and support. It avoids agents having to start from scratch, it captures insights as soon as they're created, and it contributes to having a complete and up-to-date knowledge base. In turn, you give your end users more and better self-service options, and your agents access to knowledge. And this is just one AI feature in InvGate Service Desk that's designed to put AI in the service of IT teams so that they can increase the quality of services they provide to every other team in the company. Want to know more about our AI features? Check our playlist, linked below. For more on this topic, subscribe to our YouTube channel or discover our solutions by signing up for a trial at try.invgate.com. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you again soon.